So if you're an HR professional or work in learning and development or have a people and culture type role, then one of the things you're probably thinking about a lot is organizational culture, right? How can you cultivate a culture that aligns with your company's values and fosters innovation and creativity? And one of the things that we've seen over and over and over is every company thinks they have it, most of them don't, right? And so, and that was before COVID, right? Now, I think with everyone working from home or doing hybrid things, there's almost no culture, right? It is if a Zoom, a weekly or a monthly Zoom meeting with everyone having a drink in their hand isn't company culture, right? It's a poor substitute. So, what are some ways that PowerProv helps really build culture inside a business?
I think it takes the business and turns it and assists it to have more personal connection. I think PowerProv has an amazing way of underlyingly unarming people and connecting them. So I think for me, in a business perspective, it's more about the vulnerability that comes out through storytelling and being fun and funny in a room full of people, sharing ideas, looking after each other, we not me, connecting, supporting. I think that for me creates a really strong culture of trust as well, psychological safety. I think it opens the door for that trust between employees. I find even doing the workshops and then going back into an office situation, it's amazing the conversations are different too. The connections are different. The yee-haws in the hallway, the way that you share a laugh that might not have been there before. That kind of culture, it gets really deep rooted to the core of who we are, and then the shared dream we have together, or the shared goals we have in a business, and look after each other.
Yeah, I like all that. I like what you said too about the core of who we are, because I think so much of what PowerProv training does for people is help them kind of tap into their authentic self, right? And through the workshops that we run, you're going to see sides of the people that you work with that you've never seen before, and you're going to learn things about them that you didn't know. And some of it will be silly, some of it will be serious, all of it will be meaningful and impactful and usually surprising in a delightful way. And so it's above and beyond the tools and takeaways that we're going to give you and that everyone in your team is going to walk out of the room with. There's an extra layer of that kind of personal connection and discovery and insight into character that comes out of the workshops as well, which I think is really, really powerful and helps bond teams together in a way that not many other types of team building activities can.
Totally agree.